morning students. Today we are going to see the adverb. I hope that you remember the adjective. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word which tells something about the noun, which qualify the noun, give the quantity of the noun, means tells something. Whatever it tells, that is known as adjective. In the same way, the adverb is a word that adds something to the meaning of a verb. As you get the name adverb, add means add something, verb add something in what? For the verb. So that we can say that an adverb is a word that adds something to the meaning of a verb. With that, an adjective also, and if there is any another adverb, one more adverb we get, that also qualify the adverb too. So what is the definition of an adverb? What is an adverb? An adverb is a word that adds something to the meaning of a verb, means it tells something about the verb, about the action word in the sentence, and an adjective in the sentence, and if there is another adverb, the adverb qualify that also. Look at some of the examples are here. The sun shines brightly. Can you identify what words are here? The sun, what is it? Already you have learned that this is the noun. Shines, this also you have learned that this is an action word, means what is it? Verb. Brightly, the sun shines brightly. Do you get anything about this noun from this word? No. This, because this is the word which is qualifying this verb. It is telling that how does the sun shine? How does the sun shine? Brightly. How does the sun shines? Brightly. Because we understand something, that how does the sun shines from this word, so that this is known as adverb. The another example, this is a very sour mango. Can you tell me what these words are? This is a very sour mango. The word this already you have learned. Now find out what is it. Because of this is used here for this noun mango, that's why this is pronoun. Good. This is an helping verb, sorry. This is article, very sure mango. I think that you know what is the mango. This is a noun. Good. What this word is? Sour. Can you tell me what about what it is telling? This is telling about the mango. So this is an adjective. What is it? An adjective. Why this is an adjective? Because of this is qualifying the mango, that how the mango is. And one more word is here, that is what? Very. So from the definition you come to know that an adverb is a word which qualify the verb and adds something for the adjective also and for the another adverb also. Here we get one of the adjective, and because of this verb is telling something for this adjective, so what is it? An adverb. Get it? So what is this? This is an adverb. Because of this is telling about this adjective, that how much sour the mango is. Very sour. Now look at this sentence. You know that this is the pronoun, this is the action word in this sentence, and find out if there is something which is telling about this action. We waited for them outside. Where we waited for them? Outside. So what is this? An adverb, as this is telling about the place of this action word. Look at this example. I will visit the temple tomorrow. I pronoun, will, helping verb, visit, verb, the temple, noun, tomorrow. Maybe as you know all these words, so that you are able to tell me that this is an adverb. So how we can say that this is an adverb? What is the action word here? Visit. When will you visit the temple? Tomorrow. So that this is giving the time of this action word. She runs quite fast. How does she run? Quite fast. How does she run? Quite fast. So she runs fast. She runs fast. Can you tell me about what you are getting something here? About the person or the action word? About the action word, definitely you are able to tell me that we are getting something about the action word, that how does she run? She runs fast. Not only fast but quite fast. So that two adverbs are here. This is the main adverb and this is the adverb which is qualifying this. So that both of they are what? Adverb. Some adverbs are formed by adding ly into the adjective, just like happy, happily, beautiful, beautifully, clever, cleverly, kind, kindly, simple, simply, slow, slowly. Now, clever is adjective. So about a person we can say that he or she is very clever. And when any of the action of this person is to be qualified, what do we use? Cleverly. It's like he worked very cleverly,